pest control and specialist cleaning business, Gold Coast. Well known across the Gold Coast with excellent customer reviews, this business includes everything you need plus ongoing work. Currently owner-operated with no staff, this mobile business is ripe for expansion with growing demand for its services. Services include pest control, plus tile and grout cleaning, carpet cleaning, high-pressure water blasting, and more. The wide range of clients include real estate agents and the public, with new clients sourced through the website, Google, and social media. This proven package is perfect for a buyer seeking an owner-operated business with a guaranteed income. Alternatively, there is a mountain of opportunity to expand, and assistance in this area will also be available.